Thank you for tuning into my latest drone video. McGillivary Lake. Rosa and her friend Libby and I took a short vacation trip up to Sun Peaks Village Resort, just out to Kamloops, BC. We decided to do an afternoon sightseeing trip to McGillivary Lake, just 6 kilometers, 25-minute ride, from Sun Peaks Village. Up a quiet, rough mountain gravel road with almost no signs to guide you, lies a hidden alpine gem. Sitting at roughly 1,400 meters above sea level, McGillivary Lake greets you with crisp mountain air, a forest that hugs every horizon, and views that feel untouched by time. The lake is shallow, dotted with fallen trees and rocky edges. Perfect for paddling, not so much for swimming. When we arrived, it was just us, no voices, no interruptions. Just the whisper of the wind. There's a rustic log cabin near the shoreline. Unlocked and quiet, it smells of timber and winters past. A few large tables inside, simple, yet welcoming. I imagine it's a cozy refuge once the snow falls. Down the gentle boat ramp sits a new dock, a great perch to soak it all in. Nearby, canoes and kayaks nestled under the trees, each secured with numbered padlocks. I'm guessing you get a numbered key from Sun Peaks, hopefully one that works. Grinning face with smiling eyes. The wind had me second-guessing my drone flight. But it was coming towards me, which made takeoff feel safer. If the wind was too strong, it would be blown back to me. The drone lifted, stable, responsive, and surprisingly steady. I captured some beautiful scenes, but I'd set the camera to D-Log-M and other pro settings. The color's off, and I'm still learning how to fix that. Still, it's all part of the journey. Reading the internet. The McGillivary Lake Trail offers a moderately challenging 4.8-mile out and back route, popular for birding and mountain biking. Paddleboarding and canoeing are also great options, with rentals available in the village. As you paddle through water lilies, you might spot wildlife like loons, deer, and even moose. The lake is known for its rainbow trout, so fishing enthusiasts should watch for shoals and submerged rocks. For those who enjoy camping, there's a small forestry campground near the boat launch, available on a first-come first-served basis. The area is quiet and scenic, making it perfect for photography and mountain biking through colorful foliage. When winter arrives, the landscape transforms into a snowy wonderland. Snowshoeing and Nordic skiing trails lead to a rustic warming hut at the lake, with maps and rentals available at the Sun Peaks Adventure Center. The frozen lake becomes a playground for snowmobiling, with guided tours available for adrenaline seekers. Keep an eye out for ospreys, hawks, beavers, bears, and even Canadian lynx. The lake feeds into Little McGillivary Lake and eventually the McGillivary Waterfall, creating a beautiful natural habitat for various species.